Hi, I'm Kellyanne Kirk from Five Faces. I'd like to introduce you to our digital signage solution. In this demo, I'll be showing you how Spring River Health uses digital signage to improve communication across their hospitals. Our digital signage software is cloud-based and responsive, so I can securely log in with single sign-on access and manage content across multiple locations from anywhere. The modules that make up our digital signage solution include the campaign scheduler, delegates, media, players, player groups, and timing groups. The campaign scheduler allows you to manage and view all your digital signage campaigns in one place. You can search through your campaigns using the search field or filters and display them day by day, week by week, or in a monthly view. I can also change this to list view. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to play the role of Spring River Health's Head Office Communications Officer. I've got some new campaigns to roll out across our public-facing screens and our employee screens. Here I'm going to upload some new content for our public and patient-facing screens in our women's and babies facilities across the district. I can upload pre-created content in a range of popular file formats directly to the platform in just a few simple clicks. This information pack includes healthcare information for mothers about their care team, newborn heart rate standards and sleep safety, and baby product recommendations. Once the content has successfully uploaded, I'm now ready to create my new campaign. To create a new campaign, I return back to the campaign schedule and click New Campaign. Here I can give my campaign a name. I can select a start date and an end date. In this instance, I want my campaign to be ongoing. I select a high priority of 1, 24 hours as the timing group, and I also select the women's and babies waiting room players as the player group. Here I can also choose to include any other individual players setup. From here, I move down to the playlists area where I build my playlist for the campaign. I click on Add Files to show me preloaded content that I have uploaded. Here I can preview content, select the files that I want to add to my campaign, and view this in either list view and search using the search field or filters. I can also choose to select a start date and end date for specific files and change the duration of the files. From there, I would click Submit. Now I'm going to set up our employee screens, which is really important in a hospital setting to communicate with staff who are rarely in front of a computer and rather around the hospital or on the hospital ground. We've got some safety, wellness and benefit campaigns ready to go, and we're going to push these to all clinics and hospitals across the district. Localized content can also be added for approval to employee or staff campaigns using our delegates feature, which I'll touch on in more detail shortly. Localized staff content might include staff birthdays, welcoming a new staff member, sponsorship of the local soccer team, or a save the date for an all-staff meeting. In this next example, I'm going to set up a calling display with some zone screen content for our clinic waiting areas using our zoning feature. Zoning allows you to configure your screen layout to accommodate multiple streams of content. In this example, I set up 3 zones: mind settle or ambient content in Zone 1, branding and any local content using a delegate item to show clinic wait times in Zone 2, and Zone 3 for the queue calling display. Adding delegate content items to a campaign playlist allows clinic staff to add content unique to their clinic. Our digital signage software is designed for enterprises. The software has unlimited file storage and unlimited users, without the extra cost. There's also total flexibility over how you configure users in the software, which gives you control over access and approval processes. In this example, we need to ensure that local sites can only upload content for approval, and here at head office, we can approve it before pushing it live. Role-based access controls is a key feature of our digital signage solution that makes it both secure and easy to use. Federated single sign-on with multi-factor authentication is another key feature that meets enterprise cybersecurity needs and tests. We are integration specialists, so if you need content to be dynamically updated in real time, we can connect to your existing systems. Our digital signage solution is just one solution on our DX5 framework. If you need to solve other consumer engagement problems, it's as easy as adding more solutions on the same familiar technology. From queue management to smart forms and consumer portals, there's plenty of runway for future innovation.